Do you hate rain as much as I do? Do you hate the way that it falls to the sky like teeny tiny droplets of urine? Does the way you tap on your window make your stomach regurgitate in disgust? Well, I've got good news for you. For I have the solution, and it's not H2O. It is dancing. Dance the rain away today for only $29.99 shipping and handling. Because, after all, why the fuck do you need rain? Warning. Dancing too hard can open up a portal to the underworld that cannot be quenched unless you have a goat with 3 eyes and 3 horns and the blood of a virgin. But dance today. Here, don't believe me? I'll show you some real results. Look at those results. Only boogieing for 3 hours made this. Oh, shit, fuck. I mean, look at me. Do I look like I'd lie to you? Are you done filming?